Oh, yes. Then let's go.
Oh, yeah. Finally on a boat. Thank you to Jessica and Nick for inviting me out on their boat. Get down here, see if we get some tide. Might have to up the sinker. This tide is pulling.
Oh, and this thing falls. So just if it falls, just don't get scared.
Oh yeah, they down there. I'm about to put a heavier sinker on. It's not holding. Okay. First fish of the day.
He's coming.
Nice. I switched up to a 3-ounce sinker. See how that holds. Might have to go heavier.
Can these fish be at nighttime?
Getting taps and nibbles. Oh.
Yeah, I can make it chowder, just like clam
You
chowder.
make it, yeah, just like clam chowder,
Yeah.
but then you just add the tog instead of the clam.
You just cut them up in like dices. Right?
Yeah,
Here's a right on this side.
but you put the clam juice and everything, same.
Really?
Yep.
Come on, I'm gonna have to get a heavier beer.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Fighting them against that current, they feel way bigger.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Yeah, little one. First one of the day. Little Toggy.
What rod is that you got?
Carbon Shield Tsunami.
That's nice.
I love this rod.
Where'd you get it?
I got this one from East Coast Fishing in Bayside.
It's a nice rod.
Love this rod.
Bass and everything.
I catch everything with this.
Yeah.
Blues, all that.
Fight.
Rod's strong for the price too.
Yeah, I gotta buy new gear. If we came into a big school bass, 50 pounds.
I love Blackfish. Even the little ones, yo, they fight so hard. You want to? Nice. Oh. Yo, where's your daddy and your mommy?
I never fished a big fish.
I need my chowder. Cut up some more crabs. You want a rig like this?
No, I'm gonna use this one. I got.
Alright.
Thank you. It's just, I got plenty of shit. It's just, you know, not in order.
Yeah.
When it's not in order, it's fine. Hey, you guys
Okay,
like
Jess.
this,
Ooh, Jess is killing it.
Blackfish, she does good. Keep going, Blackfish. Just sit here all day in Blackfish, right? All day.
Let's go.
That's
Got you. It's got you. There's so much here. Let's go. Get on up here. Oh, okay. Oh. This one got a little fight to him. Okay, okay. Getting bigger.
Big.
Getting big.
Good
Getting
shit,
bigger.
Oh.
Check him out. Might be close.
Wow. He's fat. Good job.
Good job. That thing I don't trust. Who's this one? See that?
15 and a half.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's having.
Sure.
Measure,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, sometimes that
Did
thing
my
is
sinker
off.
just fall? Oh.
No, that's definitely. No, I don't believe that.
Yeah, it's short.
Yeah,
Stretch him out.
15 and a half. Whew. Nice. I get a picture though. Get him back in the water. Okay. Just in case. Thumbnail picture. Alright. was fighting like he was a keeper.
Yeah, give him a good fight.
Yeah, I loved him. Half an inch. Half an inch too short. Lucky. Dang, that sinker fell off. There you go. Change up the rig. All right, Nick is on. Let's get it. No skunk, everybody's on.
The other day I was snagging them, man. I was getting them through like the sides. I wasn't even getting them in the mouth. I said no hook, I was snagging.
They probably was all crowded around the bait.
Yeah.
I ain't got my time. Yeah, they keep swimming up current. A lot more Lido in now. Oh, the hook went through him. What the heck? Oh, listen. I got a piercing. Get my hook back. He wasn't getting away. Piece of crib. Shovel. Oh, he's in something. Dang, I feel it rubbing. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out.
I like bringing people in the boat that know how to swim. You know, we're still learning.
Yo, I keep hooking them over there, and they keep swimming into something over here. He's out. He's out.
We got a nice one.
He was stuck in something. Another chunky little short. Yo, they keep popping off my sinker in this.
Is he walking? Yo, they both. They both.
Yo.
Tell me they're not walking. Never heard of Blackfish. You have?
Oh no, that was my line.
Oh.
My hands rubbing against the line. Dang, popped my sinker off again. Might have to go with my knocker rig. Hey. Okay.
And you know what's crazy is?
They fight so hard in
I
that
didn't
current.
even feel him on the bottom, man.
Because they keep swimming this way.
I didn't even feel him.
You get another sinker. Chunky. Just one leg left. Side of the mouth. And it's cheap. God dang. Nice. That's a good one. Put up some more meat. Nice one, Jeff. All right. Double up. Got a little one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Guys, this week I gotta buy the bottle over the top of this.
Okay. keep getting my sinker stuck and popping
That's a
it.
keeper.
Definitely.
This looks like a heartbreaker. Another 15 and a half.
Stretch him out. You have to open his mouth.
Nice.
No, you gotta open his mouth and let him flatten out really good.
He's a keeper.
Oh no, he's a keeper.
He's a keeper on my board.
He's a keeper.
He's a keeper.
What is it? 16.
16.
Sweet as that.
16 on the dot. Let's get it.
How do you believe? Let me see how you do it.
Cut.
Right through the gills, right?
Yeah, I cut up.
Oh, you cut off.
Yeah. Another fighter. Nah. Short, just fat. Barely hooked. Up a little one.
You got a problem. Fish in the hole.
I think it's a crab. Oh, he's in the battery.
There you go. Oh, okay. This one's pumping. This one's pumping.
Sometimes it fools me because it's your fucking your rod is light.
Yeah. Nah, but this one was pumping. I couldn't even reel for a second.
Wow.
It's a strong one. It's a fat one. Holy cow.
Chubby one, huh?
Measure one. Measure this one just in case. Ah, 15.
Stretch him out. No, you gotta stretch him out though.
A whole inch. Woo. That was a fat 15. That one just picked it up and just gone.
Ooh.
Almost.
If you know within like 10 seconds, if you know.
Ooh, we got another fighter.
Oh, you got a nice one? What do you say?
Nah, them first couple of pumps, you can't even tell. They fight so hard, trying to get to that structure.
Wow, he's big.
Nice.
Another chunky, but probably like 15.
Yeah.
No, we're gonna stretch that motherfucker.
Yeah, stretch him.
I'll stretch him. Stop. Listen to me and I'll stretch him. I'll show you. I'll show you the 16.
Let's see close. This one might not even be 15.
He's big.
Go by tail. Tail the other. Do the tail the other way.
Yeah, he's not
No,
even.
he's not stretched out.
He's not even 15. Look at this. Yeah, not even. He's 14 and a half. Yeah, not even 15.
What is it?
Not even 15. Chunky fish. Yeah, hit.
Doing good on this side. there's no current really over here.
Dropping straight down. Oh my goodness, son. Not even big. Oh.
Nice. Oh wow, that's a nice one. It's doing good right here on this side.
Bunch of heartbreakers. Bunch of heartbreakers. Let me see something real quick. Oh, I doubt it though.
Push him out.
Yeah,
Flat him, flat him
nah,
out.
he not even 15.
Sure?
Yeah. Fish are so chunky, son. Oh my goodness.
Now these guys are gonna start picking up more fish here. You know that, right?
Come here, slippery guy.
2 seconds.
This is something real quick, just in case. 15. Alright, come towards me. Come towards me. This way. There you go. Small. Little guy. Fighting good.
Nice healthy fish.
Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. This one's nice.
That's good. Yeah,
Another 16 on the dot.
that's good.
16 on it. That's 2. Chowder.
That's it.
Let's get it. Smaller.
Oh wait, let me just get mine in. That's like.
All right. Alright, so we see a bunch of birds over here feeding right on top. So it's probably bass under them. We're gonna go try that. Throw this soft plastic. See if we get something else. Got 2 keeper Tautog. That's enough of my chowder. Probably try this real quick and maybe go to another spot. Let's see what's up. As soon as we get over here, fish went down. Just casting in the birds and try it. Bass could still be down there. Never know.
Say it's a fish, but let fly.
I want to let this shy. Can I use a blackfish hook for a bass?
Well, you can jig with reference this thing right now. This fish.
That's what I want to do.
See if anybody comes
You're
up.
going like
So throw it on, please. They're trying to grab something. They're grabbing something. There's something down there.
Yeah. Before they was going crazy though. I seen the splashing and everything.
You hook this spot up.
Put the jig on. Something took it. This don't feel like a stripe. This feel like a mackerel, bonito or something. Snagged a bunker.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, shad.
What is that?
A shad. He went for it too.
What the hell is a
Is that
shad?
on video?
It's a bait fish, yeah.
We can use as bait?
I know one of them you're not allowed to keep, and one of them I don't know which one this is. So
What eats that? Stripers? and shit?
stripers.
I gotta record that. Wait, don't throw it. Hold on. Hold this for me, Nick. Hold this for me, Nick.
It looks like a baby striper, no?
Like a herring, like a big herring.
That looks like a baby striped bass to me.
It's a shad,
Yeah?
and they attack these too.
Really?
Just bought this too.
You just got that?
I just bought it with the
Wow.
capture.
Kind of looks like a striper, right, baby?
There you go.
You can't keep those, huh?
I don't know which one it is, so